Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we will practice phrasal verbs with short sentences in English along with their Hindi meanings. Let's begin. सुबह का टाइम सबके लिए स्पेशल होता है और वहीं पर हम अपने पहले फ्रेजल वर्ब्स यूज़ करते हैं. सोचो एक सिंपल वेकअप या पुट ऑन जैसे वर्ड्स आपकी रूटीन को कितना नेचुरल बना देते हैं. चलिए शुरू करते हैं मॉर्निंग रूटीन के एग्जाम्पल्स. फर्स्ट, वेकअप. आई वेकअप एट 6 a.m. every day. Put on. Then I put on my clothes quickly. Fill in. I fill in the form before leaving for work. Put off. Sometimes I put off my homework, but I try not to. Go back. I go back home if I forget my wallet. Go on. Life must go on even when things are hard. Hold on. My mom says, hold on, breakfast is ready. Get over. After a bad day, I try to get over my problems. अब जब सुबह की रूटीन कंप्लीट हो गई, सोचो ऑफिस में डेली सिचुएशंस को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए फ्रेजल वर्ब्स कितने यूजफुल होते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं एट वर्क के एग्जाम्पल्स. कम इन. आई कम इन टू द ऑफिस एट 9 a.m. Puts out. The guard puts out the fire alarm test. Look for. I look for my lost pen. Go away. My boss says, don't go away. We need to talk. Get in. I get in the car to go to a meeting. Pick on. Sometimes colleagues pick on me, but I don't mind. Give in. I don't give in to pressure easily. Keep on. I keep on working until the project is done. Move on. After mistakes, I move on to new tasks. ऑफिस के टास्क के बाद लाइफ के चैलेंजेस भी हमेशा सामने आते हैं. आपको पता है कौन से फ्रेजल वर्ब्स हर चैलेंज को इजी बना देते हैं? लेट्स एक्सप्लोर डेली चैलेंजेस. वर्क ऑन. आई वर्क ऑन माई प्रेजेंटेशन एवरी इवनिंग. कीप अप. I try to keep up with new technology. Pull out. The team decided to pull out of the competition. Called off. The manager called off the meeting. Turn off. I turn off the lights when leaving. Turn on. I turn on the computer to start work. Get back. After vacation, I get back to my routine. Grow up. Kids grow up so fast. Hang up. I hang up the phone after talking. Hold back. Sometimes I hold back my feelings. Hold up. Traffic holds up the bus. Carry on. But we carry on with our plans. Set up. The company will set up a new branch. Put up with. I must put up with noisy neighbors. Stick to. Always stick to your goals. चैलेंजेस तो हर दिन होते हैं, लेकिन सोशल लाइफ भी इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है. फ्रेंड्स, पार्टीज और डेली इंटरेक्शंस में फ्रेजल वर्ब्स का मैजिक देखते हैं सोशल लाइफ के सीन में. शो ऑफ. सम पीपल शो ऑफ देयर न्यू कार्स. स्टैंड बाय. ट्रू फ्रेंड्स स्टैंड बाय यू इन टफ टाइम्स. Catch up. I try to catch up with old friends. Give up. Never give up on your dreams. Let in. I let in my dog when it rains. Find out. I find out the truth later. Ran into. Yesterday I ran into an old teacher. Show up. He didn't show up at the party. Turn down. I had to turn down an offer. Blew up. The balloon suddenly blew up. Check in. At the hotel, I check in at the desk. Count on. I count on my family for sport. Hang out. We hang out together on weekends. Let down. Don't let down your friends. Look out. Always look out for danger. Talk over. We talk over the plan. Watch out. Please watch out while crossing the road. सोशल मोमेंट्स के बाद कभी प्रॉब्लम्स भी आ जाती हैं और उनके सॉल्यूशंस भी देखते हैं कैसे फ्रेजल वर्ब्स हेल्प करते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सॉल्यूशंस में. कैरी आउट. वी मस्ट कैरी आउट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. थ्रो अवे. डोंट फॉरगेट टू थ्रो अवे ओल्ड पेपर्स. सॉर्ट आउट. लेट्स सॉर्ट आउट दिस mess. Go through. Everyone must go through challenges. Brought up. She brought up an important issue. Take over. The company will take over another firm. Call back. I will call back later. Set off. We set off on a trip at dawn. Worked out. We suddenly walked out of the meeting. Bring back. Music can bring back old memories. Check upon. Teachers check upon students' progress. और finally, फैमिली और इमोशंस के बिना लाइफ इनकम्प्लीट है. फ्रेजल वर्ब्स यहाँ भी अपना रोल प्ले करते हैं. चलिए मूव करते हैं फैमिली एंड इमोशंस के सीन पे. लुक आफ्टर. पेरेंट्स लुक आफ्टर देयर चिल्ड्रन. पे ऑफ. हार्ड वर्क विल पे ऑफ वन डे. कॉल इन. वी कॉल इन एक्सपर्ट्स फॉर हेल्प. कम्स अप विद. शी ऑलवेज comes up with new ideas. Drop off. I drop off my friend at the station. Take in. Don't take in lies from strangers. Drop by. I sometimes drop by my neighbor's house. Broke down. The car broke down on the road. Figure out. Let's figure out the solution. Bring out. The company will bring out a new book. Turn around. The driver must turn around quickly. Get along. Good friends get along with each other. Run out of. We run out of milk often. Shut down. The shop will shut down soon. Turn up. Guests turn up at the party. Dress up. We dress up for weddings. Came across. I came across an interesting article. Pick up. I pick up the parcel. Take down. I take down notes in the class. Break into. Thieves break into houses. Speak up. Please speak up in the meeting. Come out. The book will come out next month. Catch on. New songs catch on quickly. Cut off. The storm cut off electricity. Back up. I always back up my files. Great job! You just practice dozens of phrasal verbs with English sentences and Hindi meanings. Keep repeating this daily and soon you will use these verbs naturally in conversations. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more lessons.